So we want to find an equation for a line with an x-intercept of -3 and a y-intercept of 5. Now before we continue, it's important to understand that an x-intercept happens only when y equals 0, so we can actually rewrite this information as -3, 0 as a coordinate. And a y-intercept happens only when x equals 0, so this can be written as 0, 5. Now that we have 2 points, we can start to solve for our equation. We know from y-intercept form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's start to solve for m, our slope value. We know that m is rise, which is a difference in y, over run, a difference in x, which can be written as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's use our y-intercept coordinates as our y2 and x2 and our x-intercept as y1 and x1. That's going to be 5 minus 0 over 0 minus -3, which is 0 plus 3, leaving us with 5 over 3 as our slope. Now that we have slope and 2 points, we can plug in some values into point slope, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's use our x-intercept as y1 and x1. That's going to be y minus 0 equals 5 over 3, our slope, times x minus -3, which is x plus 3. Let's open up this bracket and distribute the terms inside. Y equals 5 over 3x plus 5. And that's the equation of a line passing through both these points in y-intercept form.